Hey guys, Bullet Magnet 98 here, and I'm gonna show you how to install the software for the iGrabber and transfer it from a PC. And this is an old crappy PC that doesn't have internet. This is the only computer that my dad will let me have downstairs because he doesn't want the newer ones down here. And from a PC to a Mac. So you're going to want to install the driver and Honest Tech VHS to DVD. I already installed that, so yeah. Let's open it. So it basically captures everything you do when you press the record button or the button on the iGrabber. So the options that I use, I do DVD format, video type NTSC, quality best, split size 3.38 gigabytes, and the audio device is USB device. And make sure that the video device is set on iGrabber. So you just select a video. But first, before you once you're done recording, you can put it on a USB drive like this one, and you just plug it in to the computer, and then it should open. Alright. I already got something on here, but you can basically just drag and drop files onto it. It takes like a couple minutes, so I'm not going to drag and drop the file onto it. So I'm going to go to you know what, I'm just going to drag and drop a file onto it. File has been copied, too large, okay. You need a big USB drive for big files. So I'll just drag and drop this onto it. And it'll just, yeah, it's done. Alright, so now you'll just exit out. I don't know what that is. I always press switch to. I usually don't save it once I exit out. Take the USB drive out, and then I will go to the Mac. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm on the Mac now. So what you're going to do is plug the USB into one of the USB ports on your Mac. Whoops. And once you did that, it'll be called No Name. So just double click on that. And there's two on this. I'll just delete this one. And drag and drop this one onto the desktop. Oh, it'll take a minute to copy the. Alright, so once that's done, you'll have this. And if you double click it, it'll say the document, whatever the name is, could not be opened. The movie is not in a format QuickTime Player understands. You may need to install additional software to open this file. Just press OK, and then you'll just go in. There's a video converter. It's $35, but it does the job. And the only bad thing about this thing is that you gotta sign in every time you use it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so once you're registered in, add a file. Mine's on my desktop, so go to desktop and go click the file and choose it, open it, and it'll be right there. And click that. I'll go to applications and click iMovie, and then I'll start it. And this does take a while. So yeah, goodbye for now. Alright, it's almost done. So once it's done, it'll say all conversions have been finished, and it'll show up here. Oh, and to make this folder pop up, it'll say open up folder when conversion is done. You'll have to check that. I think it's already checked. So once you're done that, you can delete the unconverted file. You can put that in your trash, and then that's your file. You can use it, and then quit video converter, and then you guys can deinterlace it. I'm not going to, but I'll just show you the settings that I have for Jes Deinterlace. So I usually have this checked, and you just choose the file. In my case, it would be the one on my desktop. It would be this one right here, but I'm not going to right now. And then project, I usually just leave those at default setting. Color, leave that at default. And output, you can rename it if you press that. And I usually have as QuickTime Movie for export, and my settings are compression type is H.264. Frame rate, I usually have at current. Keyframes automatic, data rate automatic, quality best quality, and make sure it's best quality multipass, and just press OK. And once you get the size, make sure it's at 1280 by 720, and don't check any of these, and just press OK. And then if you had one selected, you press OK once you're done that. And once you have everything selected, you'll press OK. But I don't have any. But I don't have anything selected yet. So that was just the options that I use, because it takes a long time to deinterlace it. So once you're done converting the video, you can't drag it on an iMovie for some reason. You can drag it in the iPhoto though. And then there's my thingy. So yeah. So then you go to iMovie. And then this will say iPhoto video thumbnails. iMovie needs to generate thumbnails for the video. In your iPhoto library, the process may take several minutes. It actually takes like 5 seconds. Well, it depends how big the video is. So it will be in here. No, that isn't it. It's one of these. Doesn't matter to me. Alright, so it will be this one. So just select that and drag and drop it into your project file. And you can just edit it. And once you're done with everything, just right click and publish to YouTube. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.